Hey everybody. All right. This is Freightliner Trans-Tech in Levittown, Pennsylvania. This is part two. Now, we paid these people exactly what they wanted, $14,862, something like that. Initialed it, put his initials by final payment. He called us today and say that, oh, he messed up. Now we owe an additional $960 some. They need to show us the work. They railroading us. And if any of you truck drivers are in this area near Levittown, do not go to Freightliner Trans-Tech. I'm telling you, do not go there. You're going to get railroaded, you're going to get robbed, and they're going to hold your truck for weeks. So we're on our way up there right now.
You can't say don't go there.
As you can see, my wife over here, she got the money right here. We had to go back to the bank.
Had to go back to the bank.
Had to go back to the bank. You see it right there?
But we're not saying don't go there. We're just giving you our experience. Go there if you want.
I wouldn't recommend it, put it like that. I wouldn't recommend you go there. So when we get up here, we'll be back with you. All right, y'all, here we go, part two.
These mechanics, you better watch these mechanics when they messing with your livelihood. Now, he told me my truck was ready, that what I billed was $14,380, so we gave him that. Now he's saying they left some parts off that they didn't charge us for, $960 more. So we're going more to get the truck. The truck sitting over there in the lot. He claim it's done. So this is another battle with Freightliner. It shouldn't have to come to this.
I said part two. Part two, everybody. Yup, it should not have to come to this. Overcharging. Overcharging. They're just price gouging us.
So you want to go back there and he show you where all the parts at?
You know what? I ain't got time for that. Nothing better not happen to that truck. For what they fix.
What's his name?
And for what they fix. Part two here, everybody.
Thank you.
Yep. Here we are again. Money, money, money.
Well, he already got his own invoice. There you go.
Mm-hmm.
There's your copy with DOT. Want me to tape everything together for you? Mm-hmm. All right, do you print this out?
Yeah.
No, we printed it out.
Yeah.
DOT. Okay. Oh, wait, you guys need.
Damn, put no. Oh, I'm sorry. A sticker in the window or something? We don't need no sticker. Oh, you said you were gonna give them to me. This the sticker?
Yeah, that's the peel off part. That's the DOT sticker.
Oh, it's the pill. Oh, okay.
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah.
Good deal.
Oh, we got the ones in the window?
No, I
No,
was
the state
thinking
inspection? No, we didn't do the state inspection. It was only the DOT inspection.
Those stickers run out August the 22nd.
That That's not a state. This is
The,
not a state.
the stickers
inspection?
run out
No,
August
that-
22nd.
Right. You asked for a DOT inspection, which is the cross the country inspection. That way, if you go into other states, that
No,
way you're DOT certified.
But the,
Pennsylvania. You have to
Yeah,
have a
it's two-
Pennsylvania DOT. So which is what this is.
but we're supposed
So
to have
the stickers on the windshield are the state inspection, just like a normal car inspection.
right.
The DOT is a federal inspection.
So this is better than those stickers, or what
You
we
gotta have both.
Gotta have
Where's
both.
The truck registered,
Here.
Here.
Pennsylvania.
Pennsylvania, and the stickers ran out.
August 22nd. You have to put it on the back of them.
Would you mind holding on to that? I'm around to the truck. Just want to make sure.
Mm-hmm. Watch this.
So the one in the windshield is for the state inspection. Do you guys have a DOT inspection on that truck? They go across states and everything?
We was in Washington and had a DOT inspection by one of the officers,
Right.
and he asked me about the sticker, and he seen the sticker, so we was fine. But the sticker runs out. You seen it right, August 30th or something?
Yeah, hang on. What's the, we're gonna go out to the truck and double check everything right now.
Okay.
Yes, sir. Huh?
I didn't want you
Cool.
to send
You
money.
would,
I wasn't gonna go
Steve,
to
no.
who it really supposed to.
Yeah, exactly.
So I know it would have went to Ben and not that dude.
That's a good bid. That put him somewhere else, which is a high possibility. This was everything. I put the keys up on the board. 325.
Well, oh, just one thing I do know with Pennsylvania, it has to be inspected by
Once a year.
Pennsylvania. I do know that.
Correct.
Once a
DOT
year.
can be done anywhere in the country. State inspection, like your cars, have to be done in the state where it's registered.
Right.
But I know the state inspection has to be in Pennsylvania
Right.
inspected.
Yeah. With the sticker.
I don't even know what this is.
That's what I'm trying to find the keys to.
Okay.
I put it in the wrong jacket. I'll be right back.
Mm-hmm. This has just been a nightmare from day one. Now we need the stickers in the windshield every year, once a year.
He could have looked up and see that it needed the stickers.
That's what we said. We need an inspection. That's an inspection. I don't know what that is either. Federal annual inspection
but I
to
need
go
those
across
stickers.
the state line. We need the stickers. They ain't even valid. They ran out August 30th.
And last year I didn't pay for 2 inspections.
No.
I only paid for
One, and then the weight sticker. He put one sticker on there, and then the weight sticker came in the mail. That's when I put the other one on there.
So the weight sticker stays on there.
It must do. No, because I think on the back of the weight sticker too, it says expires August 30th.
I should have took it to Jensen.
But just like on a car, you look on the back of the sticker in Pennsylvania or in any car of inspection,
Took that to Jensen. It would
they have
save
it written
us a
down.
whole lot of-
they have it written down when it expires. So you can see it yourself in the vehicle. You can look at it yourself and see what they wrote down when it expires. But plus it's on the front, outside the windshield. You can look at it.
Come here, let me go see. Come on.
What you want to go see?
The inspector.
Hey, Jake. All right. A little bit. Yeah. Oh, let me get my damn. Now we're gonna walk over here to the truck. And I'm gonna look on the back of the sticker. Now I know what it says. It says expires. It's at the end of August. It expires. They did some federal annual inspection. They didn't do what we asked them to do. You see it? What's that say?
One gotta come out.
What's that say? 8/22. That's when it expires, at the end of August. At the end of August. Now, this one can stay in. This one here has to come out. You can clearly see it, August of 2022. That's this year at the end of August. You can clearly see it. I mean, you can clearly see it. And this is the fifth wheel here that they changed. Well, actually, they rebuilt it with a fifth wheel repair kit. You see this right here?
Just take
So
a picture
where they're supposed to rebuild that.
I want it
I
open.
did. And they changed that dryer filter right down there, which we just had changed a year ago. That was brand new, but they said it was filled with water. So I'm gonna go ahead and take a picture of this sticker over here. Let me take a picture of this sticker. I mean, you can see that clear as day. Clear as day, you can see that.
Hold this.
8/22, clear as day.
And then he come giving me this.
This right here.
What the fuck? I can't stick that in the window.
This right here. Federal annual inspection, and this is a sticker right here. We did not ask for this. We asked for that. August of 22, you can clearly see when it expires. I told you.
Pick that up. That paper is useless to me.
Because if we, even right now, if we driving and the state trooper see that sticker, he know that
Yeah, they trying to get us messed up.
it's not valid. He can clearly see it. That's why they make them like that. That's why they make them like that. So you can see it. I don't know.
You gonna come with some more bullshit.
This is what we've been dealing with. See, they put that repair sticker number in the windshield, and on that inspection sticker behind it, it tells you when it expires, and we asked for an inspection. I mean, really, this has just been a nightmare.
Oh, you found it.
What, the sticker? Oh, he found the key. We still need an inspection. So you see it, right? at the end of August.
Right.
That's what we want, an inspection.
That's state inspection. The inspection you requested, trying to see if you guys have a DOT sticker on the truck.
We have an FMCSA, but that's old. That expired.
Right.
So we don't go to like truck stops and get them done no more.
Does that go in the place of that?
Correct. That's the DOT. That's the state inspection. There's two inspections for any truck that's registered in Pennsylvania. You need a DOT inspection across state lines. You need a state inspection for within state for doing
Like a
both.
car.
Correct.
Like
So
a car.
to get that, I need another inspection.
You need a state inspection.
Right. Which don't take that long. Because I think it took like a half hour.
Right.
Well, didn't he do that? You really got to do another whole inspection?
It's going to be a different tech. The tech that did all the work in the DOT is DOT certified because you don't have a special license for that. You just got to work in the industry for 1 year as per DOT
Do you
laws.
have those stickers in stock?
I do, and I have two technicians that can do it. Let me run it by them.
Okay.
To see what actually they have to check versus the DOT that just got it passed for. So I gotta see what else it has to be inspected. And,
Oh, Lord.
right.
Might have to pick it up tomorrow.
You got to go to Jepson and get it.
You gonna drive with it like that?
Go to Jepson and get it. Ain't got no more cash.
That only costs like $100. That's a more Jamson charge. It was like $100.
I'll be right back.
All right.
Alex, wherever you go about to ask me, walk away.
Walk away.
Walk away.
You want internet back up in this way? So I gotta move the truck.
They're inside back up. What do you need?
Running the lines.
So, what time is it? It's already almost 4 o'clock, right? Is it 3:30? 3:30. You don't have time to do it today? You can go ask. You can go ask.
Let me get out of here.
You can go ask. You can go ask. Or I will call.
Why are you so
85. No. 185. And 47 cents. Cash and change. 2 quick signatures. Around the X's, the circle parts, and then look at you the keys. The orange copy is for picking up the truck. The white copy is that everything that you approved has been completed. Yes, there was the additional fees for the fifth bill that we did not expect. And it did pass DOT inspection. You guys have the sticker to prove that. Any parts that have an issue with it within the first year or a limited amount of mileage has a warranty on it. You can take it to any Freightliner dealer and have that inspected. If it is found under failure, it will be covered through Freightliner. And keys, you guys are all set.
Thank you.
All right, so that's all yours?
Yeah, okay,
Yeah,
it's the same
this is
copy
ours.
as the E
Okay.
zone, yep.
Okay.
All right, thank you.
All right. All right, so we just got him started up.